Hi, I'm April with WTI.
I have found such a crystal clear, beautiful image and amazing craftsmanship with a modern sophistication of this metal framed mirror by Keonjinn. This metal frame is absolutely gorgeous, and I appreciate that it has clean, round corners. With the mirror being deep set in the frame, it provides a beautiful floating effect. I just love how crisp and clean it looks. The packaging was great, and they even labeled the box to ensure its safe delivery. Installation was a breeze. They provided ample materials for hanging, and these French cleats are really strong, which makes it easy to hang up the mirror. I really like how this mirror looks in this space, so if you're shopping for a new mirror to brighten up your space, I would definitely recommend Keonjinn.
And that's my point of view.